Traders, hello, and apologies for not making an update video earlier as well in the day. I didn't get time, unfortunately, and this is what's going on with my current position. So as you can see, if you follow me on Twitter, there's quite a bit of red going on here. Look, the pound yen, I would say, is probably going to hit the stop loss here, but I mean, who knows? It had a significant bounce, and it's just really rallied pretty strongly. So you get that, you really do. This is probably the end of the trend, really, and that's just life. So I mean, we go to the hourly. I mean, I'd be lying to you if I said I hadn't been checking on things pretty regularly. It sort of stabilized, and I thought, this is okay, and then bam, it goes. So, am I a little bit down and out? I mean, currently, net asset, it's not great. So, I mean, my equity high I've seen at 544, and I started at 513. So, it's been quite the experience so far. Now, we'll go to the euro as well. Not sure what I'm going to title this video. I love to be upfront and honest, and it's sort of break-even-ish, not quite, on the euro here. We'll see how this goes. It's got a little bit of support as well, but it's all looking okay with the hourly up. I discuss here. I'll discuss this as well because a lot of people, that probably watch this channel trade the euro. So, just to explain my thesis here for this trade, I took it just here at. Oh man, I have so much YouTube stuff going on. Pardon me. Normally you like loads straight away, but didn't, and then that happened. So apologies for ruining the video there, but. That's a euro, and stop loss is way up. Sorry, entry price was 1.8696. So I wanted 7.0. Execution not too bad. It was 9.8, so that's close enough, really, considering the spread. And stop loss at 1.2032, which is up here. So this one is the best of the bunch, and as it's not really great. I mean, very early in the month, though, this could potentially be 2 losing trades in 1 month, which would be my worst month. And it doesn't really bother. The more I think about it, I really don't mind. I just really want to keep looking at the charts. If there's a setup there, I'll take it. I'm fully loaded right here, to be fair. So. This isn't for everyone. It is a small account. But I mean, I've got around 6% on the table open risk. So, and I'm okay with that, to be honest. And if, I was get to 2 losing trades in a week, I would stop as well. So that's how I approach it as well. Or 6. Well, 6 is the absolute max, and then I'll stop, because that could happen, obviously, in the week if you've got 3 open trades at 6% risk. So 4, I wouldn't be taking any more. Absolutely not. So here is the Aussie dollar, and I got in here, down here. Nice little entry. I was pretty happy with that at 74.27, and this candle was not sort of looking like that. But I mean, I like that candle there. I missed the close there, so I ended. I mean, a lot of that candle was 30, and it was 45, so okay, not ideal, but it's bounced up a little bit now. We'll see what it does. It's a little bit of loss here, but obviously not nearly as bad as the pound yen. Let's just have a look at how the yen's going. It's the US dollar, just out of curiosity. Aussie yen, everything's strengthening. Well, that's not, but everything's strengthening against the yen, which is okay. So that's that, guys. So yeah, look, I don't hide away. Obviously, most of the time, my accounts are pretty uneventful, or will be break even and small winning trades. But this can happen, and it's not too bad though. Everything's controlled, and I'm fully loaded right now. I won't be taking any more trades unless one of these trades moves dramatically in my favor, and I can move it to break even. So other than that, guys, let's see the AxiTrader account. The AxiTrader account I'm working with towards getting into the Axie Select program for asset allocation. So I just want to show you this. This is a little more interesting because it's lots and it's only $1,000. So if it wants to load up, I'm just gonna have some water. Pardon me. It like stuck to the coaster, and the coaster lifted up with the drinking bottle, and yeah, and I'm tired. This gives me energy though to really discuss the trades, and you know, it's obviously a little bit down and out right now, but this should load up. Connections pretty terrible. So yeah, there it is. So that's approaching 3% unrealized loss, so not super duper ideal. And see, this I really like to keep to 20, but just because the stop loss was where it was at based on the 55-day moving average, it's, you know, a little bit more risk than I would like. Let's get the Aussie dollar up. Man, I like these charts a little bit more as well. They're just what I'm used to. Let's get the Aussie up. What's the stop loss at 1261? Okay, so yep. So I'm not actually too heavily. I mean, that's 30, that's 20, and that's, you know, so it's about 6% as well on this. So that's actually not too bad. I'm okay with that. It was just unfortunate because where the stop loss was at. So anyway, so that's that, guys, and then I'll get the euro up. Euro. And there's the euro. What's the risk here? Yeah, so that's not too bad. But that is the video, guys. Again, thank you for watching, and bye for now. Happy trading.